Hello everyone, this is Ashrit from Learn Digital Academy. Today we'll discuss on type tool. So if you want to add any text for your designs, always you need to use type tool. In the tools panel, you can see a T letter over here. That one stands for type tool over here. So just select that. So once you're selecting, so in the top end you can see the font name, font style, font size, and font properties like left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, font color or text color, and some characters and paragraph settings over here. So we'll discuss one by one over here. So for example, whatever type you want to make, you can make. So if you want to type anything, you can type. For example, I'm creating Learn Digital. Okay. So you once the type is done in the top end, you can see cancel or confirm it. So to move the text from one part to another part, always use move tool. So if you want to move anything, use move tool. So now my font size is too small. If you want to select the text, so in the layer panel you can see a T. So just double click on T, automatically your complete text will be selected. So here you have a font sizes. So in drop down, you can increase the font size up to your requirement level. So if you want, you can give your own number also. So you can type the font numbers like 50, 70, 100 also. So then here in the left hand side, so you have lot more text presets. So that means a default fonts. So it depends on the design. So where you are using, for what purpose you are using, you can use any different fonts over here. So for example, I'm using this font, Learn Digital. So again, select everything. So here you have few options like by default, I have only medium. So if you are choosing any other thing, for example, I'm choosing Arial. So in Arial, we have different things. Narrow font style is there, narrow italic is there. So narrow bold is there. So like this depends on the font. You can play with font styles and font sizes also. So once it is done, so if you want to change the color of a text, so select the text. So here you can see the text color. So just click on that. You will get a new color picker over here. That means a color mixer. So whatever kind of color you need, just select it. So automatically you will get a preview over here. So here you can see now it is in a blue color. If you want red, so change it. If you want black, change it. So any color of shades you can use. So green, red, orange. So it's up to your things. So once the color is finalized, apply. Okay. So this is the basic thing of text. So then apply. Okay. So fine. In text, we have few other things. What all the things we'll discuss. So type tool. So one is horizontal. Most of the cases everyone will work with horizontal type tool only. Vertical means whatever things you are typing, it will be in the vertical only. So here you can see it is in vertical. So one is horizontal and one is vertical, and all the properties will be the same, like font color, font size, everything will be the same. So fine. So horizontal is done, vertical is done. Select the text. So normally everywhere, 90% of the cases, people will use horizontal only. So if you want to bend the text, if you want to give some effect to the text, so here you can see an option called warp. So create warp from text. So just click on that. So by default it is in a none. So just apply arc. So here you can see it is in a formation of arc. In arc, you have horizontal arc, vertical arc. So then the bend level, so how much bend you need, like minus value you need or plus value you need, so you can play. So then horizontal distortions, so like you can see this area is very small and this area is completely big. So in the same way vertical, so like this. So each and individual text have their own font styles or own colors. So for each and individual things, you can add this kind of warp effects. So arc lower, arc upper, so arch, bulge. So for everything you have the properties. You can use any of these properties. So bulge. So then the next one is shell lower, shell upper, flag, wave, fish, rise, fish eye. So then in flat, squeeze, twist. So lot more things. So it depends on where you guys are using the text and depends on that what kind of things you need you can use. If it is come to flag, so you can see it is in the formation of flag over here. So horizontal, vertical, bend, everything you can add and everything you can change. Okay. So fine. So this is our text wrap. So let's discuss a few things on paragraph text. Okay. So like normally, if you have any text in multiple lines. So for example, so I'm typing some randomly. So maybe whatever it may be. So because just for the checking purpose, we are typing a few text over here. So fine, now you can see everything is aligned exactly to the center. So left is also empty space, right is also empty space. The text alignment is completely to the center. So in the top, you have an option called alignments, that is text alignment. So left, align text. So just select it. So then apply. So use a move tool. So now you can observe one thing, everything aligned for left edge. So that means left side of your canvas. If you want a right alignment, here you have an option to align right. So everything is aligned to right side of your canvas. See. So one is left, one is right, and one is the center alignment. So these are all the text properties, character properties where you need to play. So whenever you are aligning anything with the text or character alignment. So maybe if it is a paragraph text, maybe it is a single line, maybe it is in a multiple lines, you can use this kind of method. So then a few more things we have, select the text. So here you can see one small box over here, like toggle the characters and paragraph panel. Just open that. So here also you can change the font size, font style, font color, and except that few things I have. The first thing is over here. This one set the leading. So leading means a distance between or spacing between individual lines. So just increase the leading. You can see the spacing between lines you can give. So how much distance you need, you can give. So that is set the leading. And then the next one is set the tracking. So tracking means between individual characters. That means between individual letters. The spacing between individual letters, if you want to change, so use tracking. So one is leading, one is tracking. So this one is a font stretchable size. So here few options we have. So that is T. So T means all bold. So then this one is a bold italic. So then this will all caps. If you type anything in small letter also, if you click on this, automatically everything will be changed to all caps only. So then here, so few all capital letters only will get, but in the same font size. That means a smaller font size only. So then one more thing here, the main thing is superscript and subscript. What is superscript? So for example, if you are doing anything like fifth class, so fifth class. So TH, so TH I need in the top end. For that one, select the TH. Here you have an option called superscript. So always use this kind of methods whenever you are using fifth or the uppercase or the lowercase parts. If you need at the bottom, use subscript. So it will come at the bottom. One is superscript and one is subscript. If you don't want, just cancel everything. So then the next thing is underline. For the selected text, if you need underline, use underline option. So if you need any scratched one, like cotted one or strike out one, strike through one, so use this. So it will be like caught out. So after doing all these things also, if you want to change the font color, if you want to change the font, if you want to change the text properties, so each and individual things you can change over here. So this is your text properties. So then with these things, I have paragraph option also. So till now, so just a random text I'm using. So how to use a paragraph text? So for example, I'm going to Google, I'm taking a few random text over here. So Laura Ipsum, so you will get a lot more text over here. So that is a text generator. So just for normal purpose, so for checking and all, I used to take a text from here. So you can take any text, or if you have any text, you can type. So copy. So take a text tool. So instead of directly clicking, click and drag a box. Okay. So click and drag a box. So then paste it. So now you can see. So lot more things I have. So but lot more text I have copied here. I can't able to see everything. Select all by pressing Ctrl E. So decrease the font size. So now you can see every text. So every text. So which I used or which I copied, everything you can see over here. So if you are doing anything in a paragraph, always use paragraph format. It will be more helpful to align. See, if I stretch like this, automatically it will align for the sideways or the side portions. So if you make or increase and decrease the paragraph box, automatically it will align each and individual places. So in this text also we have few options. So what all the text alignment option, a paragraph alignment option. So just go for paragraph. So in the character panel only we have one paragraph. Here the justification, we call it as justification. So here this one you can see everything is aligned properly. So completely filled with left column to right column or so completely to the paragraph. So then so again select. So this one, the last line or the middle line, that which is end with the middle or the which is ends with at the end point. So you can see things in exactly to the center. This one is we call it a center alignment. So then this one is a right alignment, a left alignment, and this one is completely aligned. Justify all. So justify all means it will fill all the places in between. It will give the spacing over here. So depends on the kind of paragraph you are using. So which one you like to use the most and which one looks better. So always prefer the text properties of the text option. For example, if I'm placing here like this, automatically everything get aligned. So no need to do each and individual alignments. So I can take a duplicate like this. So this looks more better. So instead of typing single letter, so use a paragraph one. It will be more beautiful and it will give you a very good output over here. So the main thing is text alignments, that is text characters, the type of font you are using, the type of font color you are using, and all. So these are your text properties, and these are the main uses of text characters, paragraph alignments, text alignments. The main thing is the text font, how to use the text. So maybe horizontal or vertical text. Hope the session was informative. We'll catch up in the next session.